Hi, I'm Russell O'Halloran, RH Wood Floors. I'd just like to take a minute to talk about slip rating and varnishes. We were recently called into a gym in Dublin where another flooring contractor had put down a normal floor varnish. Normal floor varnishes don't have an anti-slip rating. And in that gym, when they ran circuits, 2 people got injured and they were sued. They went to court and they hadn't a leg to stand on because not achieving an anti-slip rating has a health and safety issue to it. When you're doing a gym, a sports floor, anything to do with leisure, anything to do with sport, you must use a varnish that has an anti-slip rating. And anti-slip ratings is a science unto itself. They're defined by the European Union and it's generally in terms of an NR rating. You need an NR9 or an NR10 rating to achieve anti-slip. All your sports floors must have anti-slip. Your gyms, no matter what it is, you put a domestic varnish on it, like that contractor did, then you're wide open to prosecution. If you'd like to know any more, just give me a call. Russell O'Halloran, RH Wood Floors, 087 62 68 100. That's 087 62 68 100.